Google not reporting, of course, they already done that, but we're looking at momentum to the upside here. RSI is decent on this name, so I'm looking for more to the upside. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you are welcome to this channel. Well, we're going to be talking about stocks as usual, and looking at the market. The market action on Friday close was pretty impressive. Now, for the 1 week close, now you can see how technology across board, we have scattered names that are actually pushing to the upside, leading services including like communication services there. Oil and gas still pop up to the upside, which is that our energy, and of course the banks as well, financial, followed by entertainment, consumer defensive. However, we have earnings report coming this week, and I will be talking about earnings report mainly, and pretty much stocks that are reporting this coming week. Also, we're going to talk about the economic calendar, and of course what the earnings report going to be. So looking at the US economic calendar here, pretty much Monday is President's Day. It's an holiday for Washington, right? So the market, as I understand, will not be open. And of course Tuesday, the Empire State Manufacturing Survey, Home Builder Confidence Index, San Francisco Fed, as well as Vice Chair for the Fed will be speaking. Wednesday is going to be housing stats and minutes of Fed's January FOMC meeting. So this is going to attract buyers and sellers, of course. Thursday is going to be initial jobless claim, followed by our U.S. economic leading indicator, right? And of course, Friday is going to be our S&P Flash US Services PMI and existing home sales plus consumer sentiment. Okay, so that is going to be pretty much how the week is going to look. Overall earnings, from Earnings Whisper, we got a couple of names. Monday, we got Transocean, Noble, and so on. We got Tuesday is going to be Baidu in it after hours. Wednesday, XC, Toast, CVN. Thursday is gonna be Baba, Walmart, Raven, MLEY. Pretty much. Let's see here. Jumia as well, Shake Shack, Dropbox, and of course Friday is going to be Atmos and Advanced 6. Okay, anyways, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what we got here for and what we're gonna be talking about. First, let's take a look at the market. Let's see what the market is actually looking like, what we expected, or what we're expecting this coming week. SPY overall downtrend, break to the upside with resistance at the 610 spot. So if price can break 610, we'll continue to push to the upside. 615, 620 in the coming days. Overall, see how price actually held this trend right there. So look for more action. RSI is at 58 to 59%, so I think there's still some room for a pop. Okay, Tesla, pretty much we did trade Tesla last week. Not really too cool when you're trying to trade same day option. Anyways, looking at 360 is the resistance on Tesla. So if momentum comes in as it is here, because buyers actually stepped in and we'll have that beautiful hammer looking shape, so we'll be looking for more momentum to the upside. Probably 375 and 400 on Tesla. If it doesn't really break through 360, we're going to be looking for a retest of the 340, 330 area on that name. AMD, of course, we're looking at channel here, looking for a downtrend break. Once price gets back to 115 and hold this can continue back into the 121 in the coming days. NVIDIA, of course, NVIDIA just been pushing to the upside, looking for 140 breaks, then 150 in the coming days. RSI is decent, volume is coming in really strong there. Palantir as well, Palantir never looked back, and price print in a channel. Right now we're looking at resistance right here around this 120-ish area. We are in the overbought zone, so keep an eye out. If anything, okay, you can play that. INTC, of course, INTC actually break one of my favorite pattern, which is the W shape, and all to the races, right? So look at this area right here. We're looking at resistance at the $25 spot on that name. Pepsi as well, downtrend break, that is my expectation there. SMCI, pretty much numbers okay, and they have a lot of stuff in their pipeline, so we're gonna be looking at $50 per share in the coming week on this name, which is also $3 away from our 200 moving average. Volume is decent coming into this name with 71%, 72 on our RSI. Keep an eye out as momentum continue to come into this name. Maybe it might kind of run NVIDIA way, right? So looking at HOOD as well, we're really channeling here into resistance, so keep an eye out on that name. Coin as well, downtrend, reject, and then retest the 50 exponential moving average. Look for support right around this area. If it doesn't really hold 275, 274, 260 on that name. Spotify as well, we're looking at channeling here with resistance right there. RSI is in the making. Baba as well, BABA will be reporting this coming week, and I'm expecting them to actually do bad for a pullback to the 103, 105 area as per support. Shake Shack as well, we're looking for more to the upside right now. Price is reclaiming the 200 moving average. This, in my opinion, is a good momentum play to the upside if it does well. Riven as well, RIVN, we're looking at inverse head and shoulder pattern, and price bounce off of the 12-ish area and looking at 15 in the coming days. So keep an eye out as they report and see what comes out of that. Toast as well, TOST, looking at 42, and then break of $44. Wayfair also reporting right now. We're looking at inverse head and shoulder bounce into the 200 moving average. This continue with the $50 spot, then we're looking at 56 in the coming days. Booking also is going to report, of course. Take a look at Melly is also going to report 2150. That is going to be the next spot. Fiverr as well, Fiverr is going to report. Right now we're looking at this downtrend break to the upside. Google not reporting, of course, they already done that, but we're looking at momentum to the upside here. RSI is decent on this name, so I'm looking for more to the upside. For this is also good for a long-term hold. Keep an eye out on Moderna as well for that bottom bounce play right there. Wingstop also is going to be reporting 315, 311-ish. Will continue to push to the upside. If they do good, I'll be looking at 340 or even 350 in the coming days, so keep an eye out. Medtronic as well, looking at $100 in terms of long-term price target for me, so keep an eye out for that name as well. Dropbox gonna be reporting, of course. We're really channeling right here, so more room to the resistance channel, so keep an eye out. Devon as well, inverse head and shoulder possible for a move to the upside if they do good. So expect oil and gas, or pretty much energy sector, to actually do bad, and if they guide up, then that would be really good on this name. So guys, Thank you for being here. The remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on my stock tweet and on Twitter, which is X. Thank you for spending your weekend with me, guys. Peace and love. Bye bye.